Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. We're looking to create a custom progress indicator in Jetpack-Compose that features a rounded square with a unique icon inside. The twist? The indicator should show the progression of a task with a border animation and change the icon color once the task is completed. Sounds like a fun challenge, right? Now let's delve into the solution. The key lies in using PathMeasure to segment the path based on the current progress, and drawing a rounded rectangle inside DrawScope with a suitable modifier. By setting up the path segments and overlaying the progress animation on top of the icon, we can achieve the desired effect. The provided code snippets offer a step-by-step guide on how to implement this functionality seamlessly. Continuing with the solution, we can further enhance the visual appeal by animating the progress indicator between significant changes using Animatable. This adds a dynamic element to the indicator and creates a more engaging user experience. With a bit of creativity and experimentation, you can tailor the indicator to fit your specific requirements in design preferences. In summary, we've explored a creative solution to implement a customized progress indicator in Jetpack-Compose. By leveraging PathMeasure, animatable values, and thoughtful design choices, you can craft a visually appealing and functional indicator for your projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay tuned for more exciting content.